Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the x26R Rider Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. Now, if we need to replace the rear squeegee blade or the front squeegee blade, here's how you do it. First, let's remove the hose from your squeegee assembly. Tuck it out of the way. And now we need to remove the squeegee assembly from the machine. Just loosen the knobs and remove it. Okay, so to replace the rear blade of the squeegee assembly, what you want to do is loosen up the knob that is holding down the rear squeegee strap. Then you can remove the strap. Just like that. Now you can remove your rear blade. So now to replace the front blade, if it is worn, all you need to do is loosen these outer knobs. The inner two knobs should already be loose enough. Flip the squeegee assembly around. And raise up. And now you can take your front blade out. Okay, now to replace your blade, simply just slide the front blade in, one side at a time, right in the little notch that it goes into. Okay. Just like that. Now all we need to do is tighten, flip it back over, and tighten down the knobs. And that is your front blade. Now, replacing the rear blade, just reverse your steps as taking it off. Get your new blade. Go, put it back on your squeegee assembly. Make sure the holes line up with these little pins. And then put your rear strap back on. Now all you need to do is tighten that knob back down on the one side. And then just put it back on the machine. Now all we need to do is attach it back to the machine here. Just like that. Tighten down the knobs. And put your vacuum hose back on the squeegee assembly. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.